Alright, what's on everyone? So today in this video what I'm doing is I have another sneaker event vlog. Today there's a sneaker event in Charlotte. I haven't gone to a sneaker event in so long. I got some other stuff with me that I'm just going to be selling today, but I like have more in my car and I'm still thinking about like maybe moving some other stuff around that I have in my collection that I maybe want to trade out. My cat's opening my door, so y'all can say what's up to him. But yeah, you know, I decided I might as well do another trade up video. You know, this is a big Charlotte sneaker event. There might be some other YouTubers there. Like I know there's like another big Charlotte YouTuber, BLAZENDARY. He may be there, you know, my buddy. Yeah, that's basically what today is. So we have a really good video here today. We possibly have some really good stuff going on, but we also have the trade up video going on, which y'all saw that. We did that at the last sneaker event here, so we're going to be doing that today. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If y'all want more content like this, I got y'all. Just go ahead and subscribe below. Plenty of events like this in Charlotte, so go ahead and also drop a like. Let's see if we can hit over 100 likes. I know way more than 100 people gonna watch this video, so if we could do that, then bet it's done. Nah, I'm just playing around, but yeah, meet my cat. That's Oscar. He's posted up, so am I, but yeah. Let's get started. Alright, so I'm actually not going to be in my camera until the actual sneaker event, so I'm about to go like pick up all my friends. We're going to put their stuff in my car. We're going to sell some stuff, make some money today, buy some stuff. That's mainly what I'm doing, and also if I'm going to get to meet my best friend in the world, which I hope I do. Yeah, let's get started. Alright, so we're here at SOE. We're near the music, it's loud as but I'm with Ian, I'm with Ben. Hey, me and this. What up? This is James. He's got, where was this stuff? Yeah, this is amazing. And there's a bunch of stuff right here. This is what we sell, some of the stuff we sell. Yeah, they got a bunch of stuff right here. Is it busy? It's getting busy. Yeah. Do you think?
I don't see many like small accessories.
There's not like a lot of accessories. So I would literally have to find someone that's willing to trade this for like a tee. It's just, I don't know, it's gonna be hard, but I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I may cop some stuff first, but we're gonna get into it. So look, you bring some good stuff, right? Like this, right? We got all this good stuff, and look what you're trying to bring in here. Some move. Some move.
They're brand new, $20.
Okay. And the check. I mean, it's fine. I'm gonna try and get those for this deal. I'm gonna throw them a deal.
Yeah. Hunter and Phillip here, bro.
Oh, they are? Alright, so I actually just went and walked around. There's not like a lot yet, but more people are gonna show up. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. There's like not a lot of people right now, so I need to like go look around. But we got some of the stuff sold. Like I haven't sold any of my stuff, but I'm just chilling. My friends are like looking around. And I don't know, I'm just waiting for someone to come or something, because there's not like a lot of good stuff, but I want to buy something, so I don't know. There's just nothing.
9, 10. $430.
I need to get my old camera back in, bro. Oh man, I appreciate it. I appreciate y'all for real. Thank you. Alright, so I'm close to the DJ, so sorry if y'all can't necessarily hear me. I'm gonna try and speak up. I love when y'all like pull up on me like that and ask to take pictures. Like I gotta give the shout out there, like show love back always. I'm gonna put that in the description though for sure. So go check them out. I'm gonna go peep this video.
You watched it?
Did I watch what?
Everything.
Yeah, I watch everything. Alright, so I'm watching the stuff now. Yeah, so far it's getting busier. Like, look. Oh, and also I'm not doing the trade up thing anymore, so hopefully it's not the title. I'm just sort of like vlogging the day and like reselling like thousands of dollars of Supreme, because that's what we've done. We've made a good bit already. What? You're about to take over?
You walked away.
Take over. Dude, alright, so this man's singing, but I need to discuss this. So I ain't gonna hate on it, but dude, there's these dudes that like literally stand outside SOE and just you out of your money. Like they were trying to get me to come up with them. I'll just walk the foot, like I literally like listen to them for 3 minutes and then just walk away because I wasn't interested. And my friend, he just got fucked out of $800 because he tried to play with them. $800. So yeah, don't go up to them. They're persuasive as they tried to get me out of my money, dude. So yeah, scam for $800. That's the title of this video. Scam for $800 at sneaker event. We are all discussing this. This is dude, these people, dude, at this they're trapping off of hard work and money. They're basically scamming you straight to your face. We just, dude. All right, so here's how we started off. The title of this video is almost scammed for $1,000.
Almost scammed for $1,000.
Everybody got the heat up. You got the shoe. Met this man right here. What's up?
What's up? Check me out, High Cops.
Hey, I appreciate you, man. Thank you.
What's good?
What's your head? You want an Instagram shout out?
Yeah, follow Pablo Sales.
I got you, man. Thank you. Also, I just caught the tap. It goes like 300. So yeah. I got the towel. We starting off. You know, it's a pretty good start for almost being scammed out of $1,000, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, because they tried to go. Oh!
That's you, bud.
Oh my God, guys, my friend's here. Guys, I need my towel to flex. Dude, what's up? What's up, man? How you doing, man? You doing good?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. No, it's been going good, you know.
Wait, do you have a booth around here?
Nah. We chilling right here, right now.
On the floor, on the table?
Oh, no, on the floor. Yeah, because that's where we're at. We showed up late, you know.
What are you doing now?
Senior year? Still?
Senior year?
Solid, you know.
What are you still doing, like streetwear?
Yeah,
fashion content?
yeah. What about you? You still doing that? Chilling?
It's what I'm doing now full time.
Yeah. Hey, but appreciate that. You know. Hey, just hold it. Just hold it. All right. Hey, I got it. Thanks. That's the towel though, right there. We got some people looking at some stuff here though. Alright, we have a situation. Ben and Ian are both trying to trade for the same Supreme box Lego. It's over there, my buddy. Yeah. Alright, Ian's copped some stuff here.
So I copped some stuff.
You got the new bag.
I got the new bag last week.
Yeah. Got the fire fit, FTP, bench. I got this. And the rayon shirt. He got the wrench too. Alright, go.
I got me a golf shirt right
Fire.
here. I got a little skate shirt.
Fire. That's fire.
I got me a Supreme shirt.
Saucy. He did come back. He did. See, he lived up. Look at this. It's crazy. It's so much. Alright, so this man is seriously cashed out on him. Yeah. Yeah, he did it. Exactly, dude. Look, he's cashed out on all that, and I'm gonna sell that to the dude who's been ripping people outside.
Good way to get revenge.
Yeah, let's get the money back, guys. Let's do it. Alright, but I've only gotten the towel right now. I haven't really seen much other stuff. We've been selling stuff. I mean, it hasn't actually this hasn't gotten like too crazy yet. Like, there's not like that many people as I expected. I mean, some crazy stuff's happened though.
I need those too.
Do it for the vlog.
No, it's smart. Hey, you need those.
Do it for the vlog.
How much? Oh, what a price.
Oh, they're going. Ben just did. Ben motivated. That's not even words. Dude, I'm laughing that I just got that. That man just put it around like his whole like.
Yeah, they're 11. Bro, they go for like 600.
Dang. You got the 300?
Yeah.
That's the steal. These go for like 600. So what did you say?
Not yet, bud. We need a victory meal like the olden days. It's been a pretty good day.
I'm 17 now, man. In the olden days, it's college now, man. Alright, but really, I only bought the towel, dude. There's not a lot here. Like, it's low key. There's not even a lot of people. I mean,
But it's been a pretty good.
no, they got.
Hey, the last like 5 SOEs have been terrible.
Yeah, the reason because A, it's out here, and then B, because you just got cashed out. Never happens. So you lucky.
Hey, ready.
You about to cop the sneaker right there? See that?
It's basketball season, boys.
No.
Basketball season.
Yeah, I gotta get him. I haven't played church basketball in so long, but maybe I should get on my grind. Maybe I need some shoes, you know. He's got the fire right there. You know? Yeah, they got some heat here, but it's been like a slow day. I mean, not for like selling, we've done good, but like buying, there just hasn't been any crazy.
Hey, Mr. Good Times came by.
Yeah, Mr. Good Times, bro. My boy Sneaker Mill. I mean, I'm not gonna call him my boy because I don't like know him like that, so I don't know if he's comfortable with that. You know what I mean? I'm just playing, but yeah, he came through and bought a bunch of stuff, so that was good. But it's just there's not too many people right now. But we're just looking at like some of the shoes. There's like some off-white MCAs I can show you all over there. They'll definitely let me show them, so I may get that. But other than that, not too much. So let's move on. All right, bust them out. Boom.
You got plankton right there.
Yeah, you see that?
What's up? You got the money inside.
Those are fire, dude. This is like
It's not even like a serious shoe. It's like a meme shoe.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's like a meme shoe, but like those are also like sort of fire.
And I need a new basketball shoe.
Exactly. Yeah. What do you think? They fit? They feel good?
Yeah, they're supposed to be tight, and that's what they feel like. They fit.
I mean, that's what basketball shoes supposed to be tight, so that's good. But yeah, we got a lot of new stuff. I don't know how much more I can even like record. I do a deal there real quick. It didn't work out, so it's okay. But yeah, I don't know how much more I'm gonna film, but I was supposed to sell this bag to this guy outside. He's not there anymore. Whatever. I sort of thought it was a flex, anyways. But yeah, we got a lot of new stuff. I'm gonna show you all that when we get to the car. Like we have just like we sold a lot of stuff, but we have a lot of new stuff that I need to show y'all. So let's go to that. That's fire, man. That's man about the Ultra Boost. Shout out to him. You want to shout out anything?
Yeah. Follow me on Instagram, @MaxandGray.
Hey, we got you. Thank you, man.
Appreciate it. Much love for the show, man.
Hey, yeah. Mr. Baby, CP about $100. Bangkok this one. That's sort of fire. A little bit.
How much do they go for?
I don't know, 100 things. Here's the overall success. Everything is gone. Okay, I just came in to really buy stuff, so I'm not that concerned. But yeah, we did decent, I'd say. You know, there's like some stuff here. There's all our stuff. We got cash out today, so we're done. But we're about to leave, so like I'm gonna show y'all that, and then we're gonna go over all the pickups.
Cactus Plant Flea Market, Sussy.
That's fire.
It is fun. Brand new.
That's solid. What does this song mean to you?
What?
What does this song mean to you?
Everything, dude.
This song
means my life, bro.
I would put my life on the line.
If you hit on this song, hate is a strong word, but I hate you.
Alright, but we're about to leave. You can see everyone's ready to go. But the final cop for the day, the headband. I'm probably going to sell this. I don't know how I'm going to look in this, but I just got it because, there you go. Got the headband. Alright, update report. The police arrived for the scammy. And yeah, they seriously do. Like, they've stolen so much money from people. So, like, this is just about to be funny. Yeah, I'm going to show you all the pickups in a minute. So, get started on that.
100.
Show me 400.
Shout out. I'll give you back 800.
Anyway, so hope you guys did enjoy this video. If y'all want more content like this, please go ahead and subscribe below and also drop a like. We can easily hit over 100 likes in this video because A, I brought y'all a vlog, and B, there's gonna be more than 100 people watching this, so if we could do that, I'd appreciate it. But also, I just want to say, you know, this video was interesting. We had almost scammed out of $1,000 on some people. Some people did. Like, police stuff showed up, confronting BLAZENDARY finally, since instead of him sending his parents after me, like he did at sneakercon Cleveland, where he just came his parents to get up and come talk to me because they thought I was harassing. No, I wasn't. Yeah, he got his parents to come up to me because he was scared to talk to me. So yeah, that confrontation was perfectly awkward and nice, you know, just shows that we love each other a lot. So yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. Just sort of had fun, got some nice stuff, good pickups. I mean, nothing crazy, but just like the Supreme headband, something light, and the towel for that wall there, which I'm going to go put up and show you all in my next video. You guys will see that. I'm going to tease that. But yeah, hope you guys did enjoy this video. So thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe because I want to see y'all in the next video because I appreciate every single one of you that watched this. So thanks for watching. I'm Tristan, and peace out.